Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, the new week is ready to start, so let's try to create a trading plan for the beginning of the week. Well, if you have read the analysis of the longer term charts, I mean the monthly time frame and weekly time frame, you probably should know that in general price action on the big picture suggests some deeper move. So based on the monthly time frame, we can't exclude even the move right to the 125 area in the relatively foreseeable future. But on the shorter term perspective, that is crucial for our environment, because we mostly trade on the shorter term perspective, on the daily time frame, on intraday charts. Market stands at support. So on the weekly time frame, you'll see that current area around 130 is the weekly confidence support. And based on the daily time frame, we also see that this is in agreement with the ABCD target. So A, B, C tab. The 1618 extension stands just few pips lower than the previous low on the daily time frame. It stands around 129.45 approximately. Slightly lower stands the yearly pivot point. It's around 129.08. It's right here. So since this is a rather solid support area, the probability of the pullback is greater than the probability that market will just disrespect it totally and continue move to the downside, because this is the weekly, as I said, weekly confidence with the agreement, and also this is an area where stands the yearly pivot point that hasn't been tested yet. So it's very probable that market could respect this area with even minor retracement, but even minor retracement with this swing to the downside will be not small moves. The 3.8 retracement, 3.8 pullback will be an area around new monthly pivot point that stands around 132.61, and that is also hasn't been tested yet. Anyway, if market will have any intention to respect that area, it should start the creation of some reversal or is housed in pattern somewhere in this region, and probably this process has been started already. So we see that current low of the Friday's trading session stands at 127 extension of the previous retracement. The 1618 extension of the same retracement stands right around this support cluster. It's around 129.50 area. So here market could form some housed in pattern, although on the daily time frame we do not see it yet. Let's shift to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, that could be the bullish wedge pattern. That simultaneously will be the 3 drive, and that will be accompanied by the bullish divergence with the MACD indicator. So although as you can see that MACD indicator still shows the bear trend, that divergence is still relative, because to speak about the divergence we need the trend has turned in the direction of the possible reversal. So it should be bullish. But anyway, we could see the difference. Here market has created the new low, while here market stands rather higher than even this previous low. So that probably will turn to the divergence sooner or later. So if market will show the minor pullback inside of this wedge and then show another leg down, that will be a perfect 5-wave wedge pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that the 127 extension of this possible minor bounce will stand at the same area as 1618 extension of that swing. So that is very typical for the 3 drive pattern. What moment that I would like to tell by this analysis is that currently we are entering in such area where we should keep an eye on potential reversal pattern and housing pattern, and be ready for potential starting of the bounce due to respect of the current support area. Well, perfectly if we will get some reversal or some bullish pattern on the daily time frame, because still the 4-hour time frame is a bit small when we're dealing with the support on the weekly time frame. It's preferable to get some reversal, any pattern that will confirm and support our thoughts about the respect of this area just one step below the weekly time frame, that is daily chart. But anyway, currently this is the only pattern that we have currently, and I think that it's worth of our attention and we should keep an eye on it. So the conclusion, first of all, we wait some further continuation to the downside. It's around 129.10, 129.50 area, and that will be our first level, first area where we could search for the possibility to enter long. Also take a look, that price action could be also drawn as the butterfly on the hourly time frame. I don't have the hourly time frame in the current analysis, but you could see it. That could be the left wing of the butterfly, that could be the right wing of the butterfly. So if you will take a look at the hourly time frame, you will easily recognize this pattern that is forming there. Well, that's been said, market now entering in the solid support area, although the price action is strongly bearish on the higher time frame and overall trend is bearish. This support is rather solid, and market now is starting to form some hints on the potential housing and hints on the potential bounce and retracement from current area, and this wedge pattern is one of them. So keep an eye on area between 129.10, 129.50 for possible long entry due to taking the profit from the potential retracement on the daily time frame.